Hello, guys. Today, we will explore an amazing AI platform called PromeAI. This platform combines several useful AI tools, such as sketch rendering, AI image generator, HD upscaler, erase and replace, outpainting, image to video, virtual try-on, background remover, AI headshot, and many more. You can explore all of them. Today, I will try some tools. Let's start with the AI image generator. You can select different styles here. Various scenes are also available to influence the background. You can choose different perspectives of a character. Many image ratios are available. Also, you can try different lighting conditions. Let's write a prompt. Let's choose style and perspective. Okay, let's try another image ratio. Impressive! You can see lots of other options are available here for different purposes. Let's try other tools. To try this tool, we need a sketch first. I am searching for a sketch on Pinterest. Let's try this one. Nice, right? These images can be enhanced more using other tools. Okay, let's continue. We can try this image using the Remix button. We can select the object using different tools. Now select Replace and write what you want to replace with. Well, the image needs to be fixed. We can select the whole object using the lasso tool. Now it looks nice. We can try an image for outpainting. Amazing! Let's try our AI avatar for image to video. Well, I think her smile looks a little strange. However, it works and can be fixed. We can try this image. We can try different sketch styles, but it really works. We need two images to try this feature, one for the model and another for the cloth. I will use this one as the model photo. Select the cloth. Now choose a clothing picture to replace with. We must cover this area to let it work properly. You can see it works. Relight is a nice feature to change lighting conditions. I think this one suits this image. Although it has changed some colors, to get the accurate result, it needs more experiments. Background remover is a very essential tool. Let's try this. Perfect. Cool. You can try the AI headshot generator. I am going to try the professional headshot generator. Well, she looks similar but not the same, but the result is good. Making a sticker is fun. Impressive, right? Well, this one is a real fun. There are many other tools you can explore. You can create your own consistency model here. You can see many design templates are already available, like the jewelry design. You can explore how it works. Many style presets are already available. There is also a community tab. If you publish your images, they will show up here. You can see many AI image challenges are going on. You can check the pricing tab. When I am recording the video, their Christmas offer is ongoing for the subscription fee. This is their general subscription fee. You will get 10 credits per month for a free account. There is a coupon code I have pinned in the comments section. You can get 20 coins for free by using that coupon code. This platform is very useful for those who don't have access to a computer with a powerful graphics card, but they are willing to make AI images. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for future videos.